Yeah, it is that time of the year. The ticks coming out, the snakes coming out as well. As always a reminder, the bluebonnets starting to get going across North Texas, obviously. Use extreme caution if you're going to go take pictures, especially in an open field of those bluebonnets as well. You never know what might be lurking in the grass. All right, here's what we're dealing with the drought situation. I mean, it's been a similar map for the last several weeks where drought continues across western and southwestern North Texas. In fact, you head to Stephenville, you head to Meridian, and you head to Hamilton, and you get into severe to extreme drought anywhere from Mejia to Hillsboro, out to Breckenridge to Eastland to just south of Graham, all dealing with moderate drought. DFW to the east and to the southeast has not been dealing with drought for quite some time due to the rounds of recent rain, but that recent rain is really not fallen across western and southwestern North Texas, at least relatively speaking. Lower rain amounts over the last several months across those areas continues to have drought situation in those locations, which is also why lakes are a lot lower across that portion of North Texas as well. DFW area lakes, Ray Roberts, Louisville, Grapevine, all even or high at the moment. Lavon and Ray Hubbard doing just fine. Arlington just a little bit low there. Eagle Mountain to Lake Worth continue to be about 2 to 3 feet low. Benbrook's a foot high. Joe Poole's half a foot high there. Off to the east, Tawakoni, Cypress Springs, Cooper, Pat Mays, all high at the moment. In fact, a lot of these lakes came up just a little bit recently. It looks like from last week to this week. Texoma's a foot low. Bodark not open just yet. Cedar Creek full. Palestine over full just by a little bit there. Richland Chambers came up a little bit, now only a foot and a half low. Granbury's a foot and a half low. Whitney's 5.5 feet low, and there you can see the what drought does, or at least drier conditions does, as we continue to have lakes quite a bit low across our western areas. Graham, Possum Kingdom, Palo Pinto, all 4+ feet low at the moment. Hubbard Creek 8 feet low at the moment. Let's take a view from Weatherford College where the clouds are overhead. It's 58 degrees, and our view from UNT in Denton shows the clouds overhead too at 58, but I do expect those clouds to break up a little bit as we head through the day today, and we'll be dealing with maybe partly to mostly sunny skies by this afternoon, so it'll be nice to see the return of some sunshine, and that sunshine will help warm us up a little bit more than we've been the last several days with highs 70 or above across most of North Texas. A little below normal, but not all that bad. Overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, a mixture of upper 40s to low 50s, so a cool start to the day. Just kind of like this afternoon, a couple degrees below normal for this time of the year. Remember, these are the temperatures right around sunrise, so if you headed out early for any of those church services, that's those temperatures that you need to dress for. Then by tomorrow afternoon, should climb to 70 or above yet again, maybe even a little warmer than that across our western areas where there might be a little bit more sunshine tomorrow afternoon. But I do expect us to see kind of increasing clouds throughout the day tomorrow, and we'll call it more clouds than sunshine. No rain today, no rain tomorrow. Our rain chances return on Monday, mainly across western North Texas. Monday into Monday night is kind of a disturbance is going to drop down into the area, perhaps around to showers and storms across western areas as we head through Monday afternoon into Monday evening and into Monday night. Probably not a lot of that make its way into the DFW area. Right now I have DFW about a 20% coverage with a little higher coverage out to the west, but we'll watch and see what happens with those showers and storms as they move into our area. Severe weather, pretty unlikely with this, so that's good news for you, especially this time of the year. Rain chances pretty slim the rest of the week. In fact, I don't have any in the forecast. Our temperatures climb back to 80 or above by Thursday, and next weekend's looking like 80s, warmer than this weekend, but we might need to include some rain chances for next weekend and into that following week.